Elias, a woodworker, lost a hand. His workshop grew silent, filled with self-doubt. He longed to create, but felt only failure. A boy asked, "Mr. Elias, why are your carvings lonely?" The child's question sparked a desire to carve for joy. He chose gnarled oak, adapting his remaining hand. He danced with the wood. His limitation became a unique style. Villagers watched. A magnificent bird emerged from the wood's imperfections. "It's strong," the boy exclaimed. Elias smiled. His masterpiece inspired all, proving beauty blossoms from embracing unique journeys.